Toll Brothers is considered to be one of the best builders in Las Vegas. However, they do come with that luxury price tag. Recently, we were invited up to the grand opening of the Aviano neighborhood up in Skye Canyon, and we were pleasantly surprised to find out that they're bridging the gap between luxury and affordability. If you want to see that preview, stick around because it's coming up next. Hey everybody, what's going on? My name is MJ. I'm a realtor out here in Las Vegas with the Berkshire Hathaway brand. And here on this channel, we tour all around the Las Vegas Valley looking at model homes and existing inventory. Also, you don't have to make your next home shopping experience all the more easy. And if this is the first time we've met on this channel, I appreciate you stopping by to check out this video. I really do hope you enjoy this tour. If you do, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And hey, if you like this type of content, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell notification so you don't miss a single video when I upload on Fridays. And on today's video, we're going to be headed back up to Skye Canyon up in the northwest Las Vegas Valley to check out the brand new Aviano Community built by Toll Brothers Homes. This is a gated community that has its own private pool, as well as the amenities of Skye Canyon, as well as luxury living at an affordable price. These are all single-story homes in this community, whilst you're still getting the luxury that Toll Brothers offers, and even after your upgrades, you're still going to be under $500,000. How does that sound? You ready to go check this out? Toll Brothers does a very, very good job decorating their homes, and they are absolutely beautiful. Let's go get it. Hey everybody, welcome back once again to Skye Canyon. Today we are looking at the Aviano neighborhood, specifically the Trivento model. This home is built by Toll Brothers Homes. We got 3 to 4 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, 1 half bathroom, 2-car garage, 2,029 square feet, starting at $421,995. There are a nice amount of options included with these homes. To start that list off, you're going to get a paver driveway, a paver walkway. The $421 price does include the Spanish contemporary exterior. You also have an option to upgrade to the modern craftsman as well as a modern farmhouse. Now right there on the left in the entryway, you're going to notice a parcel locker. That's a really nice feature that the delivery man can come drop a package off right in there. Coming in through the front door, you're greeted into a nice warm hallway here. You get a lot of light coming in from the great room there. Love the way they decorated the walls here. They have those nice lines, and those are actually indents into the wall of how they built it out. Got some nice mirrors along the wall there to make it look a little bit bigger, and really nice decoration. Off to the left here, you got a bathroom as well as the 2 bedrooms. The bedrooms are about 10 by 11. They are going to be carpeted. We'll go over the flooring here in just a little bit. First off, I want to talk about the HOAs. You're going to be in a master plan community of Skye Canyon. There is a $250 quarterly fee for that. It comes with the clubhouse as well as patrolling security 24/7. You got a pool, some parks and trails as well. The local HOA, the Aviano Community, is $115 a month. You actually have a private pool just for the community inside of Aviano, and it is a gated community as well. You will have the streets and the front common areas maintained for you as well. There's also a SID in this neighborhood. It is $361 biannually, due in April and October, totaling out to $10,011. One really nice feature about this house is it does come with 10-foot ceilings, so it has really nice open feel to it, and the doorways are going to be all 8 feet as well. A couple other smaller features. You're going to get an electronic deadbolt at the entry. You got a Ring doorbell. You got a covered entryway and a tankless water heater, as well as LED recessed lighting throughout the home. This bathroom here is for the first and second bedroom up front there. It is a full bathroom here. You could probably have it built out with a shower if you care to. The second sink in there is an upgrade, so you don't necessarily have to have that. I'm sure if you really wanted to, you could have a makeup counter in there as well. The bathrooms throughout the home are going to be with marble, and you're going to have extended commodes as well as Kohler faucets. Coming out of those front bedrooms and into the hallway, you're immediately getting hit by that amazing natural light coming from the great room. It's absolutely awesome. You got a linen closet right there, and then the laundry room is just to the right here. You have an option to upgrade to the cabinetry above the washer and dryer there. Now the flooring in this house, you're going to get 12 by 24 inch tile included in the foyer, the nook, the kitchen, the bathrooms, and the laundry room. Toll Brothers opted to upgrade the tile in this home to this really nice ceramic tile. Has a really nice soft off-white color to it, really light natural wood look as well. It goes really well with the decoration in this home that they chose. You got a really lovely great room here. I'm sure if you wanted, you could have a fireplace in the front area as an option. You could do sliding doors at any of these windows if you cared to. Show the video some love if you're liking this home so far. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. They did a really good job upgrading it, so make sure you smash that like button. Now, being that we were out here for the grand opening, unfortunately the backyard was not complete yet. They were still working on adding some stuff out there, so I won't be showing you that today. Coming into the kitchen here, you're going to get 42-inch uppers included with 3/4-inch crown molding on top of those. In this particular model, they chose to have extra cabinetry on top of the 42-inch uppers to extend it up to the ceiling. I think it looks fantastic. I would love to have some glass in the face of those cabinets on the upper to show off some plating or other decoration that you would like to put in there. I really love the movement in this granite and the slight off-green color. It really goes well and pops this kitchen. The appliances are going to be Whirlpool appliances. You're going to get the microwave, the dishwasher, and the stove. You'll have to upgrade the refrigerator as you see fit. You also get Kohler faucet in here with a stainless steel sink. I really love how simple but intentional Toll Brothers decorates their homes. For example, that wood grain on the floor with that light color goes really well with the grain of the wood bowls here, the stools, the cork. Then you look at the light green in the granite, and then you have those pillows there with the succulents. You got some nice striations in the fireplace here, as well as the light colors throughout. It really helps pop the entire house with those nice bright green colors. And then you have the subtle natural tones in like the table and the wheat that you saw in the living room there. Coming back to the tour here, that's going to be the entrance to the garage, as well as a drop area for your purses, coats, keys, things like that. This room right here is an optional flex space if you'd like. You could do it as an office, you could do an extra bedroom, however you choose to, and you could have optional French doors or a single door, however you want to have that built out for you. Now coming into the primary bedroom, you're going to get a nice sized bedroom. It's going to be about 15 by 13. You have optional slider doors, which they do have installed here. I love how they decorated this room as well. They did the farmhouse style to continue with the theme. They did do tile in here as well. It will be carpeted with the exception of the primary bathroom. Now the farmhouse style is kind of that up and down wood paneling look. You'll see that here and as well as on the front of the house. The front of the house on the right side by the garage door has that vertical look as well, and then you have that nice dark color to kind of round out that farmhouse look. In the bathrooms, once again, you're going to get marble included. In here, they have a really nice dark look over here, and then they have the lighter look in the shower. Once again, there's that intentional decorating. You have those dark countertops contrasting against the shower, but the dark countertop actually makes that tile pop even a little bit more. It's a really nice sized walk-in closet here. It is going to be about 10 by 7. Really generous size. You have a really nice little sparkle in here. That was the same marble that they have on the fireplace in the living area as well. This bathroom will have the dual vanity as well as the shower. If you wanted to do a shower tub combo, I'm sure you could definitely upgrade to that at the design studio. And speaking of the design studio, they have it right on site to make it easy for you to come and choose your features. Then one last look over the great room before we wrap this up. Alright guys, that about wraps up for today's tour. I really hope you enjoyed it. I know I did. Let me know in the comments below what you liked most about this home. However, if you're more interested in taking a private tour of this home to let me know personally, I would really enjoy that. Give me a call, text me, email me, feel free to contact me however you like. My information is in the description below. And also, if you're interested in taking a private tour of anything around the Las Vegas Valley and you want to be featured in one of my videos, get a hold of me. I'd be happy to take you on a tour and feature you in my next video. And if you're out of state, feel free to just give me a call. We have lots of tools to be able to help you out on finding your home right here in Las Vegas. And as always, I appreciate you guys stopping by and touring with me today. We'll see you guys in the next one. Later. Vegas Valley, looking at brand new model homes.